this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send large video files through Gmail just on your phone. And this is easy to do. So there's two different applications we want to get. And if we're using our Android phone, we probably have these. But if you got like an iPhone, just go on over the store. Here's the Google Play Store. Go to search and get the first one, Drive. So here's Google Drive. So most of you already will have Google Drive on your phone, so Google Drive, get this. Then go back to search and just type in Gmail, Google Mail. So here's Gmail right here, Gmail. Open this up and get this on your phone too. So once you download them, we can swipe up. And you know, if we have like a Samsung, we'll probably have a specific Google folder we can just click in and we'll have all these different applications. Otherwise, we have to just scroll through here and find them. So we can find Google Drive now. If we can't find it, we can just go to search on the top and just type in Drive. And then open up Drive. And this is what we're going to use to transfer over large video files. So you can see I already have like two complete Honda XR, video 1 and video 2. And you can just go to the plus icon right here and you can go to upload right here. Now find your video file. So let's scroll through here and just find something. We'll try not make a duplicate. So you can upload quite large files. So here's one that's 1.1 gigabytes. And let's label it video number 3 or something. Video 3. Upload. Okay, so this is going to upload. And then you'll see the time it takes right here. Now another thing you have to be aware about besides just the upload is the processing time. So when you upload a video, the larger video file it is, the longer it will take to process. So it'll probably take about 10 to 15 minutes. So this Honda XR video right here, this one is now working. Okay, so this one was 1 minute and 35 seconds, and it took about 7 to 10 minutes after I uploaded before I could actually view it on here. So if you're uploading something, you don't want to send it as an email right away if it's a very large file. Otherwise, the person won't be able to view it right away. So just a heads up, you'll probably want to wait at least 15 to 20 minutes after you have it completely uploaded. So you can see this one's uploading quite quickly, even though it's like 1 gigabyte. So after you upload, you want to go to the video and go to the 3 dots, and this is important. And then you want to go to Manage Access on the top. And if you don't do this, you might send a video file over to someone and they're not able to view it because they don't have access. So you want to go to Change Access and go to anyone with this link. And then you want to update it. Okay? Anyone with that link. And then you can see the viewers for this, or the commenters or the editors. So anyone with this link should be able to access this video. And then we can go back. And now we're good. So you can see this one's still uploading. And you can see this one was modified. That's the one I want to go to. And I believe you have to do this one with any video you want to send over. You want to change the access. Anyone with this link. Okay, so I got 2 video files I'll send over now. Now, I changed the access. You can see there's like a little people icon over here. That means it's shared. Then I can go back over to Gmail. You can see some videos I already have sent over here. So video 1, then I'm not sure what this one is. Is this another video? And it should be, this one is still processing, it's taking a while. And then we can go to Compose. Do your sender. Okay, so I'm just going to type in my current channel in. Okay, here it is, subject, video, compose, hi. Go to the attachment, the little paperclip, go to Drive this time, and then select it. So you can see I'm sharing these, so I can just select one, and then go to, I can select both of them, or maybe I can't. So I'm just going to do one at a time, I guess. Then you can see the videos in there, and then I'm going to go to Send. And then I can go to it, I can play it, and you can see it works right away. So I got the Honda. So I shared access and I waited, so it was processed, and the person should be able to see it right away now when they click on it. Now you do have the option to just, go to Compose and then attach a video file or something right here directly to it, and it's going to automatically upload it to Drive. But it's very, how would I say, it doesn't really give you a lot of information on what's going on. So it won't send it right away. It won't send it until it's actually complete. So you're just kind of left in the dust, like thinking what's happening with it. So we can just go on through here and just find a large video file again. I don't see anything. So let me just go back up the top and select something. I'll show you what this looks like when we try to send it through here. So here's the video of the motorcycle again. Let's go to 2, and I'll just type in my current channel again. Alright, and then we can select it. Subject, hi. Now we can just send it over. So you can see the video is being added right here just through Drive like it was before. Now the only problem is I don't know if this shares it with this link, if it's available to everyone or it's a private link. I think it's available to anyone who has this link or who views it. And then you can just send it over. So you can send it over that way, but you don't see it come in ever. So I sent it to myself, and it's going to take like 15-20 minutes to get that video. And that's what I did with this one at 10:50. What time is it? 10:56 right now. So that one's 6 minutes ago. I should be able to just click on it. So the method with Google Drive is a little bit easier to manage, I think, because you see what's going on. Otherwise, you can just send it through an email, right, like I just did, like how I showed you. So just go ahead and just do that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.